Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Time Jumpers button. This highly sought-after item is a powerful tool within the game, allowing you to fast-forward through certain in-game events or cooldowns. It's incredibly useful for speeding up your progress and gaining an edge. Understanding its acquisition is key to maximizing your gameplay experience. The most common way to acquire the Time Jumpers button is by actively participating in special in-game events. These events often feature unique challenges that reward you with event-specific currency. Once you've accumulated enough, typically around 500 units, you can visit the event shop and exchange it directly for the button. Keep an eye on the event calendar. While events are the main source, there are other avenues to explore. You might find the Time Jumpers button as a rare drop from specific in-game loot boxes or chests. Sometimes, it's even given as a special reward for consistent daily logins during promotional periods. Additionally, keep an eye out for premium bundles that occasionally include it as an extra bonus item. Once you have the Time Jumpers button, simply navigate to your inventory and activate it. This powerful item can instantly reduce various in-game wait times, such as building upgrades or resource production, often by a significant amount like 2 hours. Using it strategically allows you to complete quests more quickly, gather resources faster, and ultimately progress much more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.